Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Think Macs don't get viruses? Think again. While macOS is known for its strong security, Mac users can still face malware, adware, browser hijackers, unwanted apps, and phishing threats. In this video, I will show you how to use Malwarebytes for Mac to scan your Mac, remove threats, and keep your system secure. Whether you are using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac, this guide will help you protect your device in just a few minutes. Let's understand first what is Malwarebytes for Mac. Malwarebytes is a popular cybersecurity tool designed to detect and remove malware, adware, potentially unwanted programs, and other security threats. Unlike traditional antivirus software that focuses mainly on viruses, Malwarebytes specializes in finding hidden threats that can slow down your Mac, display unwanted ads, or compromise your privacy. Some key features include malware detection and removal, adware cleanup, real-time protection. Let's install Malwarebytes on macOS. First open any browser. Now search here Malwarebytes for Mac. Then press enter. As you can see here the website, just click on this. Now you can see here free download button. Click on the download button. If your download doesn't start, just click here. You can see your download should have started automatically. If not, just click here. In my case, my download is started. Let the download be finished first. Follow the on-screen instructions and grant any permissions requested by macOS. Now open the file in folder. Double click on this file. First we have to install it. Click on continue, again continue, again continue. Now select here agree. Now from here you can just change the installation path. Just choose it where you want, which hard drive. Select it and click on OK. Then again click on install. Now provide your Mac password here. Then click on install software. It is installing. Let the installation be done first. As you can see on my screen, the installation was successfully done. Just click on this close button. Now if you want to remove the file from your Mac, you can click on move to trash. That's it. Now you can see here the interface of Malwarebytes on my screen. Now click on get started. Now choose your Mac. If you have personal Mac, choose here personal Mac, and if you have business Mac, just select here business. For business works, business devices, powerful security designed for your business needs. I have personal, just select here personal. Now it is showing here to purchase your premium version, but I do not have to purchase right now. Click on maybe later. Just select here how we can help. I just want to make sure I am protected. I might have a problem with my Mac. I already know my way around. Select here anything, click on continue. Now you can see we are almost there. Let's come to the interface. Now as you can see, it is asking for permission. Just give it a permission here. How? Just enter your first security and privacy tab, then open your lock and select the Malwarebytes application, then click on OK. Let's open security and privacy first. You can see here security and privacy. Now click here the lock. Provide your Mac password here. Now you can see here Malwarebytes protection. Just tick this box and that's it. Now open your Malwarebytes. It is done. Close this window. Now you can see here I have access of this Malwarebytes. Now from here you can scan your Mac. Just click on scan. As you can see, it is scanning. It is scanning progress. As you can see here, the scan time here, items scanned here, and if there is any thread you will see here on the detections. If you go on schedule scan, you can schedule the scan at any time, and if you go to reports, you will see here the report of the scanned items. Depending on your macOS versions, you may be asked to allow security permissions in system settings. Just simply follow the prompts to finish setup, which I have done earlier. In different macOS version, there are different kind of steps, so do it what it is shown on your screen. And during the scan, Malwarebytes checks system files, applications, browser extensions, startup items, and other areas commonly targeted by malware. As you can see, the scan is done. You can see the scan summary. Threads 0. As you can see, thread 0. Click on done. From here, click on view report. You can see here the report, date, time, schedule, result, everything from here. Close this. Now you can click on the dashboard to see here your Mac protection score. It is 76%. You can use VPN also, but you have to purchase the premium version for that. And if you want to enable your real-time protection, you have to purchase the premium version. As you can see here, let's know the costing of the premium version. As you can see here, for standard device security, $44.99 per year for protects one device. And if you go for the plus device security and VPN, it starts from $79.98 per year. It protects 3 devices. And if you go for total device security, VPN, identity protection, it starts from $89.99 per year. It protects 1 adult and 3 devices. It means 1 parent device and other 3 devices more. Now if you click on this setting, you can see here the general setting. From here you can change the setting of the Malwarebytes. You can see here VPN, it is disabled because we have to purchase it. You can see a notification. If you do not want the notification, just disable it from here. If you go on advanced setting, click on open advanced setting. You can see here CPU usage, medium, low recommended. A high CPU usage setting means faster scans. Okay, so we do not have need this. Let's close this. So these are the features of Malwarebytes on Mac. Malwarebytes is widely trusted and used by millions of users worldwide. It's designed to work alongside macOS security features without significantly affecting system performance. It's particularly useful for moving adware and unwanted programs that built-in macOS security may miss. That's how you use Malwarebytes for Mac to scan your system, remove malware, and improve your Mac security. Whether you are using the free version for occasional scans or the premium version for real-time protection, Malwarebytes can be a valuable tool for keeping your Mac safe. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.